Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. Which type of shock is characterized by a significant reduction in circulating blood volume? The correct answer is hypovolemic shock. Hypovolemic shock results from severe loss of blood or other fluid, leading to a reduced circulating volume. Sariyana Badil. Question 2. What is the immediate priority in the management of hypovolemic shock? The correct answer is rapid fluid resuscitation. Rapid fluid resuscitation is crucial to restore circulating volume and maintain organ perfusion in hypovolemic shock. Sariyana Badil, rapid fluid resuscitation. Question 3. A febrile non-hemolytic transfusion reaction is most commonly caused by which of the following? Febrile non-hemolytic transfusion reaction. The correct answer is cytokine release from transfused leukocytes. Febrile non-hemolytic transfusion reactions are typically caused by recipient antibodies reacting to donor leukocyte antigens, leading to cytokine release. Sariyana Badil. Question 4. Which blood group is considered the universal recipient? Universal recipient? The correct answer is AB. Individuals with a blood group have both A and B antigens on their red blood cells and no anti-A or anti-B antibodies in their plasma, allowing them to receive blood from any ABO group. Sariyana Badil. Question 5. In septic shock, the primary mechanism leading to vasodilation and hypotension is the release of vasodilation, hypotension. The correct answer is endotoxins and inflammatory mediators. Septic shock is characterized by a systemic inflammatory response triggered by bacterial endotoxins and other microbial products, leading to widespread vasodilation. Sariyana Badil, inflammatory mediators. Systemic inflammatory response. Question 6. Which of the following medications is a first-line vasopressor used in the management of distributive shock, example, septic shock, to increase systemic vascular resistance? The correct answer is norepinephrine. Norepinephrine is generally considered the first-line vasopressor for septic shock due to its potent vasoconstrictive effects. Sariyana Badil. Vasoconstrictive. Question 7. The Indian government recently banned which herbicide, known for its toxicity and lack of antidote? The correct answer is paraquat dichloride. India has joined over 70 countries in banning paraquat dichloride due to its high toxicity and lack of an antidote, which has been linked to numerous self-harm and accidental deaths. Sariyana Badil. Yerubadil. Question 8. Union Minister Mansukh Mandavia recently inaugurated a new ESIC OPD block in which city? The correct answer is Hyderabad. Union Minister Mansukh Mandavia inaugurated a 211 rupees crore ESIC OPD block in Hyderabad. Sariyana Badil. 211 Rubai. Question 9. The Election Commission of India recently sanctioned a one-time honorarium for which officials involved in the special intensive revision of electoral rolls? The correct answer is booth-level officers, BLOs. The Election Commission of India approved a one-time honorarium of 6,000 rupees for booth-level officers, BLOs, for their work during the special intensive revision of electoral rolls. Sariyana Badil. Arayiram. Question 10. The concept of concurrent list in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from the Constitution of which country? The correct answer is Australia. The concurrent list, allowing both union and state governments to legislate on certain subjects, is a feature borrowed from the Australian Constitution. Sariyana Badil. Question 11. Who was the founder of the Maratha Empire in India? The correct answer is Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is widely recognized as the founder of the Maratha Empire. Sariyana Badil. Question 12. Which of the following mountain ranges is the oldest in India? The correct answer is Aravalli Range. The Aravalli Range is one of the oldest fold mountain ranges in the world, predating the Himalayas. Sariyana Badil. Question 13. What does the term fiscal deficit primarily refer to? The correct answer is total expenditure minus total receipts excluding borrowings. Fiscal deficit is the difference between the government's total expenditure and its total receipts, excluding borrowings, indicating the total borrowing requirements of the government. Sariyana Badil. Question 14. The term biodiversity hotspot was coined by whom? The correct answer is Norman Myers. The term biodiversity hotspot was coined by Norman Myers in 1988 to refer to areas with high levels of endemic species and significant habitat loss. Sariyana Badil, 1988. Question 15. Which of the following is the primary site of absorption of digested food in the human body? The correct answer is small intestine. The small intestine, with its villi and microvilli, provides a large surface area for the efficient absorption of nutrients from digested food. Sariyana Badil. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.